Guys, we're finally here at Dusit Thani. Kapon ka! It's in New Cebu. Hi, attorney! From Cebu Board, attorney, our VP. Finally here at Dusit Thani for the Para-Visayas Conference, and we're finally here despite the weather. This is the 2025 Para-Visayas Mindanao Regional Conference. Para, by the way, is Philippine Association of Real Estate Boards. Our theme for this year's VisMin Conference is Transcend the Next Generation of Real Estate Professionals. So this is going to be our conference venue at the hall here at Dusit Thani. So the registration area is outside, of course. So in the next videos, I will show you around here at Dusit Thani, Mactan. And by the way, this is Amon Ray Cavana Loquera, your real estate broker and appraiser in the Philippines, and a member of the Cebu Real Estate Board. Thank you. Guys, sapit lagi magsugod among concert, so there is a Dusit.
A few seconds more.
Yes, kan lang gyud kanang huwat lang gyud mo gamay na lang gyud.
Let's ready na kay siya.
Yes.
And Elias is coming.
Yes. Among lead vocals o kanang grab ni siya o kanang
Yeah,
practice.
sa sweet notes ni siya mo pinag-pull out sa sweet notes.
Mini sweet notes, bitter notes.
Bitter notes diyan.
Sige. Alright, guys. Yes, finally we made it here. Dili kapugong si Typhoon Cruising na mo. We made it here in Dusit for Para-Visayas Conference.
A special performance by the National President of Para.
Yeah, let's start. Good morning, Para members. Wow, very nice.
What happened, Bella?
Good
morning, Mama Rebeldo.
For wasting your time.
We hereby acknowledge the arrival of our Mr. Parab here at Dusit Thani. Live na guys. Capture na to niya sa Tibok Kalibutan.
Nestor Villanueva, President of South Cotabato Real Estate Board, or his representative to turn over the VisMin Regional of Cebu Real Estate Board.
The spirit is encapsulated in our local board's rallying cry. Let's do it! Conquering heights through innovation and nobility. So the again, thank you for
Nice.
As your Vice President for the Visayas and this year's conference chair, I am deeply honored to stand before you and communities, uplifting lives, and building a legacy of professionalism and trust.
Yes, finally we're here guys at the conference. Thank you, sir.
And appraiser. Unfortunately, unlike ninyo, we're a Millionaires Club, or panay po kasuway kami. So, 1529. Next slide, please. So, when you try to understand adversaries, ito na tayo. So, ito yung dapat bantayan is magpapartition na. Then, bantayan ito. Preliminary attachment. Proceedings for the voting of wills. Night on the pending days with the office of the President.
Yes, hello friends and investors. Attorney Condat, Provincial Director for Register of Deeds of the Province of Cebu. Just concluded this discussion about adverse claim and lease pendants. It was a very meaty one. So we're up to our next discussion. Slater Young is our speaker.
Good morning! Okay ba tayo dyan sa likod? Okay
Yes!
Okay.
Good morning!
Yan, di ba? Ano yun?
Shout out sa tanang mga developers kadugay raw na meet. One of them is Aboydi's Land, Persimmon. Shout out Persimmon Studios. Yes. Dugay na gud ka. Pwede ako no. Upan jud ka hilin og kanang Aboydi.
Manuroy ta sir.
Yes, hello guys. Slater Young. Guys, PBB, Slater Young. So nandito na talaga siya sa bahay ni sa labas ng bahay ni Kuya. Shout out to Bohol.
Hi, Bohol.
Civil football. Civil engineer siya guys, sa mga engineers siya, Slater Young. The rise actually in Cebu. Attorney, pa-video ko. Attorney Condat guys, the Provincial Director of ROD Cebu. Thank you. Magandang umaga po. Si Attorney Bisaya, present.
Sige, magtagalan na lang ako. Magtagalan tayo English para maintindihan na. So, syempre muna, pagkalan na kami sa inyo, BTBR.
PNC, Project Management Office for C. We have appraised on residential properties, including rodents, farmlands, and farm agricultural and farm properties. Okay? So, what is the status? Okay? Tanong, pwede ba may exempt si RBS tungkol dito? The answer is no. That's part of the challenges.
The illegal real estate transactions, and I have advised going to present the 8-point agenda of our new Secretary Pingaling. Now, the background of the joint memo circular, I think all of you are already familiar with this. This was proposed in view
Guys, engineer ko dito from Bohol.
Units in a subdivision that is either mortgaged or not registered at all. Alliance of project by national, regional, and local task forces. Well, actually, maybe we can just breeze through this. At the national level, already mentioned earlier level, this is chaired again by the DSUD Assistant Regional. But we in DSUD are doing it. We are issuing a lot of notice of violations and also penalties. This is in response to President Marcos' call to ensure affordable, inclusive, and dignified housing for Filipinos. So our Secretary, Jose Ramon Alini, laid out this integrated roadmap designed to transform the national housing landscape and elevate the quality of public service at the DSUD and its key shelter agency.
Mayang gabi!
I hope you enjoy the dinner, especially prepared by Dusit Tani's resident chef, Rami. My respects.
Wait lang guys, kaya nasa ako guys, asa ko? Asa makuha? Asa na ikaroon? Ay! Sir pare mo? Sige ma'am.
Processing of fines, Metro Baguio, Real Estate Board, Reggie Salan.
hanggang sa dulo ng mundo.
The property, we will be providing the range hood, range hood cooktop, oven, and then the refrigerator.
For farm room.
Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo. Hanggang bumulong ang luha.
So, ang iyahang sand kay Kuan siya.
How many islands compose the Philippine archipelago? High tide man ron.
Hanggang